Congratulations. If you are here, you are a repeat offender of coughing in public. If you are sick, you should have stayed home. That being said, each of you have been given 3 free trial coughs. After the third one, his powerful sentinel will get rid of you. Be the last one to cough, and you can go home. Shall we? Let the games begin.
What is this? Virtual reality? I don't have time for this. I'm on my way to an interview for a job where I'm going to be making 6 figures a year. And you're on my way. There's my exit right there.
Whoa, wait, bro. I wouldn't try to leave if I was you. Three left remaining. I think he's looking at him. He's been coughing since we got here. Don't cough, bro.
Let's skip all that cough, bro, so I can go home.
2 left remaining. Brother, I'm gonna cough. But I'm gonna cough like a man.
I'm the last one. I'm the last one. Ah!
That was crazy.